Alright, what's up, y'all? So, AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and yesterday I did a video talking about the Clean Business Automation Program, right? And how you need to be in it if you ain't, if you're trying to scale your business, if you're struggling getting customers on autopilot, if you're struggling keeping quality workers in particular, that's the main key to this program right here. And then also, if you need a system to put in place and you want to, do certain things, then you need to be in the Clean Business Automation. So, this video is for y'all, alright? So I'm gonna do what y'all asked me to do yesterday and actually do a course overview of what's exactly in the Clean Biz Automation program, alright? So before I get into it, I just want to, as you can see, I'm on cleanbiznetwork.com right now. The best way to get the course, alright, the most profitable way is just to go ahead and get this lifetime membership to Clean Biz Network. Once you buy this here, you will automatically get enrolled into the course, alright? And then you will also get lifetime access to Clean Biz Network right here, alright? You get everything, it's automatically ready to go once you buy here. Alright, and then just make sure that if you do get this course and you on any one of these plans, make sure you cancel those plans as well after getting this. Alright, now the other way to get it, if you can't afford to just go ahead and pay the $4,000 up front, that's fine. We do have a payment plan option available. And also I'm gonna click this because I'm gonna show you what's in the course. Alright, so if you want to see what's in the course, come down here, click here, and you can look at the actual curriculum. Alright, so as you can see, there's the payment plan option. We can do a 6-month payment plan option. And if you scroll down, definitely watch this
All
video.
right, y'all.
Definitely watch that video right there because that's basically the free webinar that's giving you the game, just to kind of warm you up into the stuff that's actually in the program. Okay, so definitely watch that video. But this is just an overview of everything that's in the course. So this is going to be the actual curriculum. All right. So the first module is 3 different modules to put the course together. All right. So module one, we going over the in-house lead generation setup. All right. So if you got the in-house lead generation course, that's what this one section is. All right. So this one section alone is worth $2,000 because I sell that course for $2,000 usually. All right. Right now that section just alone is on sale. I think for like 1,000 right now. But anyway, so we're gonna show you how to build your lead list and call log. So when I say how to build your lead list, that one program right here, that one section, I'm going to show you how to access the database for free of every business in the country. All right. So this is that's a very important piece right there. Just that first module alone, you gonna know something that most people don't know how to do in the whole damn industry. You know what I mean? People pay monthly payments to sites like D7 Lead Finder for this information right here that I can show you for how to access that database for free because that's what we use for our lead generation service. All right. Next, we're going to show you how to cold call, right? Then we're going to show you how to sync your appointments to your actual calendar so that way when you hire cold callers, which I show you right here in this next section, they'll know how to add it and submit it right to your calendar, and you ain't got to, when they email it to you, you ain't got to add it to your calendar. When they set those appointments for you, to automatically sync to your calendar. All right, so that's that piece of that automation I'm talking about. All right. Obviously, like I said, I'm show you how to hire those cold callers and virtual assistants from overseas, so you can get them at the best price possible, right? Then I'm gonna show you how to hire a sales manager as well. All right. Then the most important part of this program to me is the blueprint to high quality workers. So I show you that, and I also show you how to get paid to do it. That's a key ingredient to the program. I show you. So right, so you see how you can import the subcontract application form, right? So there's gonna be a lot of different forms and templates that I'm gonna provide you with. You ain't gotta set nothing up, no agreements or nothing. It's gonna be a straight copy and paste, and you will import my stuff into your system, and then you just change the name from Clean Business Network to your company name. So it's gonna be a lot of automated stuff in here. Partner with us is gonna be some big gems in that one. Using your affiliate link to Clean Business Network. So as y'all know, we got Clean Business Network memberships, right? So I'm gonna show you how to set that up to maximize your affiliate link on Clean Business Network. Then I'm also going to show you how to make your landing page. And then the third and final module is the actual automation system where I show you a lot. So like I said, copy and paste forms that I use. And this right here, I'm going to really give you full range free access because y'all know in Clean Business Network we have proposal generators, calculators that you can use and all of that. But sometimes you might feel limited using them. You can't change certain things, right? Well, in this course, I'm going to show you how to basically take my app, copy it, and make your own app. You ain't got to build your own thing from scratch. I'm going to show you how to just copy and paste mine. And then once you got your own, you can literally customize it however you want to do it. So if you want to move certain things, like you want to make the the pricing page after the scope of work page or move certain things around. You can't do that right now, but when I show you how to do this, you're gonna be able to do 100% customization. All right, so then that's it. And at the end is an application that you complete to submit to me to let me know you're ready to partner with me after looking at this program. And you don't have to partner with me because you can do all of this stuff on your own, but it's really designed for you to basically be a partner with us. That's why we got that partner with us option on the main Clean Biz Network website, right? So if I go back to it, you'll see the rest of them says Clean Biz Network membership, but on that third one it says Clean CBN partner. Okay, right there. All right. So I would recommend getting it. Just go ahead and paying for it outright, because if you do the payment plan, you see it's what, 6 payments of $9.97, which is fine if you, I mean, just trying to get it and you don't want to blow too big of a bag. But if you do that times 6, it's actually a little bit more than what the price is, right? We got to add a little extra since you're making payments, and we taking the risk, trusting you to make payments. All right. So that's the overview, y'all. So now, I mean, if you already know that you sitting at a standstill, you've been stuck at that 7 grand a month, you've been stuck in at that 10 grand a month, or whatever level you stuck at, you stuck at the 20. Now, I mean, whatever you stuck at, even if you stuck at 40, this program gonna change your life. And shit, you can be making $1 million right now. I guarantee you. Once you get this part in particular, once you get this program, that's gonna change the whole structure of your business, especially if you're struggling to keep talent, I mean, within your company. So that's what I got for y'all. Go to cleanbiznetwork.com. Like I said, go to cleanbiznetwork.com. Either get the partner and pay it outright, or scroll down, click here, and come on, sign up over here. All right, and get the payment plan. I'm AJ Simmons. See y'all in the Clean Biz Automation. I'm out of here. Thank y'all.